Jacob decided today he wants to start going down the slide.
1, 2, 3.
Is it scary?
No.
Jake, is it scary?
What if we go?
Jake, look at me. Is it scary?
No.
Why? Let's go. You're crazy. Brayden, did you teach him that, going down the slide?